Glam fam, glam fam, glam fam. Today I have something that I've been wanting to share with you guys for a while now. My skin has come such a long way, and today I'm here to share with you guys what has brought my skin this far, my overall skincare journey so far, and things that you can use in order to improve your skin. I started my Banish journey a little bit over 2 years now, and you guys, this journey has been one for the books. It has been extremely smooth, and Banish has helped to improve my skin tremendously. For those of you guys that do not know, I have suffered from acne in the past, and my skin has now gotten to the point where it has leveled out, okay? I don't experience bad acne anymore, and that is all thanks to Banish. Banish has hooked your girl up. I remember being that person where I was super duper insecure, okay? I was insecure about my skin, insecure about certain areas on my face, and then one day I discovered Banish and my life has transformed since that very moment. That is why whenever I'm asked about skincare products, I always tell people check out Banish, because Banish will improve your skin and it will give you an overall different boost of confidence. Before Banish, I had tried so many different types of face washes, moisturizers, and it was like nothing was working for me. I became so frustrated, okay, because I have oily combination skin, and most of the things that I tried either clogged my pores and made me break out, or you guys, it just made my whole entire skin situation a lot worse, and it ended up drying out my skin altogether. So I needed something to help to balance my skin, okay, to help to even out everything, including my complexion. And Banish just so happened to be my one shop stop. Now we know that Banish helps to improve acne, but it also helps a ton with acne scars. After getting rid of a ton of pimples, I had leftover acne scars. And guess what Banish did? Banish stepped in to help to improve that as well. I noticed my complexion becoming brighter, okay? I noticed my skin glowing even when I'm just rolling out of bed, or even if I'm just walking around on the day-to-day basis. I noticed that I had a beautiful glow to my skin, and I ended up getting so many different types of compliments, and I got to the point where I was like, yes, this stuff is really working, because not only am I realizing it, but other people are as well. Under my YouTube videos, I get asked so much about what I use on my skin, and you guys, it is Banish. Banish all the way. I'm a Banish girl 100%, and when my daughter gets to my age, or maybe even a little bit younger, and she's looking for something for her skin, guess what I'm going to recommend to her? Banish. After just 1 month of using Banish, I noticed that my skin improved tremendously, and you guys, 2 years later, I'm still growing and glowing with Banish. Now, something else that has definitely helped me is the Banish 2.0. Usually, if you want to get out and about and get your micro needling done, you're going to pay at least $600. I know, because I have researched this whole entire procedure, but you guys, Banish has you covered here. You don't have to pay that much. You can do your own micro needling at home, even at your skin tone, even at your skin overall, for a fraction of the cost. When I tell y'all I have tried so many different types of acne products, and no shade, no tea, honey, none of them are like Banish. I will choose Banish over any other brand that I've tried any day. And you guys, if you watched me in the past, you probably know that I've tried a ton of different products, but Banish is my go-to, glow-to. The only downside that I can say to a lot of the Banish products is you can't go into your simple drugstore and just pick them up and grab them, okay? You have to order them online, and that's one of my pet peeves, because sometimes I need stuff instantly. I'm the person that waits until the last minute to re-up on my products, and I'm like, I need this now, and I wish that I could go into my local CVS, Walgreens, Walmart, and pick up Banish. So I'm hoping that that's something that they do incorporate in the future. But nonetheless, you guys, I absolutely love my Banish products, and hey, I'm sure that you will love Banish too. So if you find yourself interested in Banish and going on your very own skincare journey, you can use my code MATTIE to save $10 off any purchase of $50 or more. And now let's get into the skin, honey. Let me share with you guys my skincare routine. So if you find yourself interested in Banish and going on your very own skincare journey, you can use my code MATTIE